That is little bit two steps, okay? It's also easy only, but here we have the two steps, okay? So you may have to do many steps. Many steps, it means what? More than one, okay? That's it. So step number one is what? You don't want this 8, right? How we can remove this 8? So we know that we can subtract, right? See, why we are subtracting? Because this is in plus, okay? This has the plus sign. So if you want to remove this 8, then you have to like subtract, right? If we subtract 8 from both the sides, okay? So what is going to happen? Okay, so the very easy things you can write, okay, like this. This is already you have, okay? And now you are doing this one, minus 8 both the sides, okay? So what is going to happen? 40 already you have, okay, and minus 8 you are introducing this operation, okay. So it's clear this and this will cancel, right? This is going to be what? 0. So what you left with? You are left with 4y, okay, and that is equals to what? 40 minus 8. It means this is 32. And now it's clear. And what we don't want now? We don't want this 4, right? We want to find the value of y. Okay, so it's fine. If we want to do that, what we can do? This 4 is in multiplication. Okay, so here we can divide by 4, both the sides, right? Yeah, so if we perform this operation, then what is going to happen? So I can show you in the next step like this. 4y divided by 4 equals to 32 divided by 4. Okay, so it means what happened here? As you can see clearly, this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, right? So y equals to what basically? This is 4 times 8. Okay, so y equals to 8 you have, okay? Clear, everybody? So now please like raise your hand if you have any doubt, okay? So remove the hands. If you have any doubt up to now, then you can keep as it is, otherwise you can remove. Okay, so still 16 hands are there. 11 hands, 10 hands. Okay, please remove. If you don't have any doubt, then please remove your hands. Otherwise, I'm going to ask what is your doubt, okay? So still 6 hands. Okay, so I'm starting. Claudia, what is your doubt?
Oh no, sorry, wait, I didn't have any doubt, sorry.
Okay, Charlotte, what is your doubt? Neeraj, what is your doubt? Adavita, what is your doubt? Please remove the hands. Amina, please remove the hands if you don't have any doubt. Otherwise, ask me. Isabel, what is your doubt?
I don't really understand how you got 8.
Okay,
Oh.
so here as you can see 4y plus 8 is there equals to 40 is there, right? What you don't want? You don't want 8, right? Because your ultimate goal is what? Your ultimate goal is to make y alone, right? Then and then only you will get the value of y. So this is plus 8, so subtract 8. Okay, why I'm subtracting this? So this plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled. Okay, now I have just 4y on the left hand side. My motive is to make y alone on the left hand side. Okay, whatever happens on the right hand side, that's fine for me. Okay, so the same operation I have to do 40 minus 8 both the sides. Okay, so this is 32, and then I am dividing by 4 both the sides. Why? Because I want y alone. So that is what this is 8 only, right, Isabel? Getting now? 32 divided by 4, that's 8.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Isabel. Nothing is to worry. Samhita, do you have any doubt now?
Yes, I don't understand how you have to divide 32 by 4.
Okay, 32 divided by 4, it's mean what? Please remember the times table. 4 times
No,
8, that is 32.
So, I mean, I don't know how you got that step.
Oh, okay. So already I have mentioned here, divide by 4 both the sides because we don't want this 4. We want just y. That's why. Okay, now let's move on. Practice some questions. You will get it. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, let's have some questions. Okay, this is the question number A and question number B. You all are going to solve these questions. Okay, so yeah, start solving this question, and I can ask anybody. You have 2 minutes to solve. They are easy questions. Okay, still I am giving 1 minute per question. So your time starts now. Start solving, and you can put your answers into the chat box. Okay, so I got many answers. Still, you have 1 minute, so solve. And when I'm going to solve here, you can compare your answer with my answer. Last 30 sec.
Do you not know question? I can't find out question number B.
Okay, no problem. I will solve. Okay, nothing is to worry. Time's up. Okay, most probably now you are able to solve the questions. If not, it's fine. I am going to show you the steps. Okay, so here, as you know, what you don't want 4 on this left hand side. Why? Because your ultimate goal is to make z alone. Okay, on the left hand side. So this is in +4. So what we are going to do, -4 both the sides, right? This we are going to introduce. Okay, -4 both the sides. Okay, so here like this we can do directly, right? Okay, so what we are going to get? This is just you are going to get 2z and 18 minus 4, that's 14. Okay, now what you don't want? You don't want this 2, right? With the z, we want z alone because here we are looking for the variable and that's the z. So we don't want the 2, right? So easy, just divide by 2 both the sides. Okay, so this way they are the two-step equations. Okay, just dividing by 2, and what we are going to get after dividing by 2, that's very clear, z equals to 7. Yeah, okay, so this way this get cancelled. Okay, 7, fine. Okay, now let's do the next one. Okay, okay, so one of the students have the problem in this, so no problem. Let's get continue. What we don't want? We don't want +7, so we can do -7 both the sides. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, I can write, and if you don't want to do like this, then as I have written in the good manner, you can write like this as well. Whatever you have, write it down, and then whatever you are adding or subtracting, you can write here. Okay, and after 32 you can write this -7. So what is going to happen? 5z equals to 32 minus 7, that is 25. And now it's very easy because we know that we want just value of z. So this 5 is unwanted for us. So how we can remove that? By dividing 5 both the sides, right? So if you divide 5 both the sides, what is going to happen? It's very easy. After this, you can write like this, 5z by 5 and 25 by 5. So it's clear. This 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, and 5 times 5, that is 25. So z equals to 5. Clear this one? Okay, very good. So now if you have a doubt in this two questions, then you can keep your raised hand. Otherwise, please remove quickly. Yes. Use the raise hand option very wisely. Yep. Remove the hands. Still 5 members are there. 3 members. 2 members. 1 member. Okay, Goptug, what is your doubt?
Sorry, I forgot to put my hand down.
Okay, please hand down. Okay, so we can see there is no doubt. So, yep, very well. Let's have the next question. Okay, here we are going to solve another two questions. Please try to solve. I said no doubt, and there are another 4 hands up. Okay, nothing is to worry. Let's solve this question. Okay, and you can use the chat option. Okay, for answering. Okay, and for raising hand, you can raise your hand if you have a doubt. Okay, so I can come to know. Okay, so raise your hand if you have a doubt, and if you have answer, then you can put into the chat box, and then selectively I can select any person, so that person can solve. Yes, you have 1 minute to solve these two questions. Okay, last 30 sec. Okay, so we have done enough waiting. Okay, now we can solve the questions. Okay, so let me select, and this time one of you are going to tell me the steps and I'm going to write. Okay. Let me select Vishhan. Okay, Vishhan, you can tell me the
Yes.
steps. You can tell me the steps.
For
What I
A,
have to do. For A.
so you first need to do 28 add 2, which
Add
you
to
get.
both the sides, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then
Then you get 30. Then you divide 30 by the first number, which is 10.
yes.
And then you get 3. So then you can check if your answer is correct by multiplying 10 by 3 and then subtracting 2. to get 28, and the answer is correct.
Yes, very good. So excellent for the step number 3, okay? And step number 3 will gives you idea like you are correct or not, okay? So very good, very good. That step is really good. And okay. So let's have the next question, okay? And next question, Yusuf, you are going to answer me, okay? But let me finish this.